Have you ever wondered what would happen if there was no operating system in your computer? It would be very difficult to do the most basic tasks you can currently do on your computer. If there was no operating system, you would have to program everything from scratch. How the computer will handle the keyboard and mouse input, as well as how the computer will display information to your monitor. An OS serves as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware, ensuring that all applications run smoothly and efficiently. The operating system task is to completely control all the computer's resources and functions. All programs and applications installed are all monitored and controlled by the operating system. Every click and every bit will be managed by the operating system. There are 5 primary roles an OS has to do: process management, memory management, file system management, device management, and I/O management. A process is a program in execution. Managing processes is one of the most vital roles an operating system does. The OS ensures that each process receives ample time from the processor to process or run. If you were to click on your favorite game and it opens, that is process management on the job. Computers have a finite amount of memory. The OS allocates memory to processes and ensures optimal utilization. Every process must first be loaded into the main memory and allocated after its completion. This is why even if Chrome were to take a bazillion RAM, your computer will not crash. The OS also handles memory security, which prevents processes from interfering with each other's memory. The computer also manages the file system in your computer. It manages files on storage devices, providing a structured way to store, retrieve, and update data. It also maintains the integrity of the data stored in these files, including the file directory structure, by protecting against unauthorized access, keeping your homework folder secure. The OS communicates with hardware devices through driver. It receives the request from these devices, performs a specific task, and communicates back to the requesting process. Through this, you easily print documents with just a click of a button. A computer is nothing without any I/O devices. The OS keeps track of all the input and output operations from your mouse, keyboards, and monitors, and transforms them into feedback you can hear or see. The OS is working hard to let you watch TikTok videos. For an OS to run, you need hardware, specifically 5 components, which are CPU, main memory, device controllers, local buffer, and the system bus. CPU, or the Central Processing Unit, is the most vital component of an OS. It is the one that executes the processes and requests. The main memory is the primary storage of an OS. It stores data and other instructions needed for the computer to function. The device controller is the one that manages all drivers needed for the hardware to communicate with the OS. The local buffer is an area for device controllers to temporarily store data while they are being loaded. Lastly, the system bus is the pathway for communication of the CPU, main memory, and the device controllers. There are also various types of OS which differ based on their usage and purpose. Batch operating systems executes batches of tasks without user interaction. It is common in early computing for repetitive jobs like payroll processing. Time-sharing operating systems allows multiple users to share system resources simultaneously. An example of this OS is Unix. Real-time operating systems ensures immediate processing, critical for applications like air traffic control. Distributed operating systems manages a group of computers to act as a single system. This is vital for cloud computing environments. Mobile operating systems are tailored for mobile devices, focusing on user-friendly interfaces such as Android and iOS.